In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove two-step verification in Yahoo Mail. Before we start, a quick heads up. Turning off two-step verification lowers the security of your account. Only proceed if you understand the risk and have a strong, unique password in place. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. In the results, choose the official Yahoo Mail link so you land on the real site. If you see ads at the top, make sure you're clicking the legitimate result that points to Yahoo's mail page. Once the page loads, sign in with your usual credentials. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to your inbox. On some devices, you may be asked to confirm it's you before you can access settings. Just follow the on-screen prompts and continue to your mailbox. From the new Yahoo Mail view, look to the top right corner of the screen. Click your profile icon, which might show your initial or a photo. In the drop-down, select Account Info. This takes you to your account settings area. If you're asked to verify your identity again, that's normal. It's an extra layer of protection before changing security options. Next, select Security. Depending on the interface, this may be labeled Account Security. Give the page a second to load. You're looking for the section called Ways to Sign In. Within that section, find two-step verification. This is the feature that sends a code to your phone or an app when you sign in. Click two-step verification to open its settings. You'll see a toggle switch that indicates whether it's on or off. To remove two-step verification, click the toggle to turn it off. A confirmation message will appear explaining that you'll no longer need a verification code at sign-in. Read that carefully so you know what's changing. When you're ready, click Turn Off to confirm. The page should update, and the toggle will appear off, or you'll see a status showing that two-step verification is disabled. That's your confirmation that it's been removed. At this point, you can return to your inbox or close the Settings tab. As a best practice, consider strengthening your password and making sure your recovery email and phone details are up to date in case you ever need to regain access. If you change your mind later, you can come back to the same place and turn two-step verification back on. That's it. You've successfully removed two-step verification in Yahoo Mail. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to replay any part to follow along in real time.